expert on design and you have no time to learn a tool like Canva, but you do want to keep your socials consistent. So today I'm bringing you a quick tip. I actually would call it a trick. I'm gonna show you a very quick tutorial that you can do on Canva app on your phone. It's for free and you can make one design for all your social media formats. Hi everyone, my name is Brunna. I'm here again. I am a content creator for B2Ns Media, and on today's tutorial, very quickly, I'm gonna show you how to make one design for all the formats of social media that you need. It is very quick and it's for free, and I'm gonna show you how. So this is actually simpler than you think. First, you're gonna find the Canva app and select the option social media. When it comes all the options of designs you can create, you're gonna select quick create. Then afterwards, you're gonna choose what formats you want. So I'm gonna select Instagram stories, Facebook post, Instagram post, and LinkedIn post. Next, then right after you're gonna type what you wanna write. So I'm gonna put good morning. Just an example to keep it simple for you guys. And then the subtitle, I am gonna put my name. Brunna. Next, then you're gonna select the pictures you want to use if you already have them on Canva. Otherwise, you can of course go for more on your photo library. In this case, I'm gonna use the ones I already have there. Choose a quick one and then next. Then right after, I'm gonna select what style do I want my template. So it's fun or simple or elegant or modern or organic. I like this organic one, so next. And then afterwards, I am gonna choose what colors I'm gonna use. In my case, I have a brand kit. These are my colors. But you can of course play with it. You can choose the colors that Canva suggests to you. So I like this one. Next. And that was it. I have all the formats that I select: stories, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and then I just need to download it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because I know as a small entrepreneur that you are very passionate about your business and social media can be very overwhelming. You don't have much time, but on this channel I am gonna show you little tricks of how to make your life simpler for your business on social media. I really hope you liked today's tutorial and I hope to see you on the next video. See you there!